Today I would like to talk to you about an important issue. We've had a lot of fans write in and ask us this very complicated question. We are not married.
No, not even close.
Not even close.
Not even remotely close. There's no ring.
I am married.
That's not my ring.
But not to him.
Exactly.
Tyson and I are very good friends.
We're close.
We spend more time together probably than we should.
I mean, like in a work-related,
right,
we're always on the clock type situation. I never wanted to be like, yo, you know, she's not with me, that type thing.
Are you telling the truth? Tyson didn't want to tell people we weren't married because it helped his game.
It's like Ryan and Kelly, right?
Right.
It's like, now for all the people who thought that we were a nice couple and hey, I love when couples do things. Those people, thank you. I appreciate your open-mindedness.
I mean,
and your
and for those of you who like us together, please still like us.
I mean, we're still
Don't stop. We're still gonna be the same people. We're still gonna have our banter.
Yeah.
I'm still gonna mess up things. He's still gonna make fun of me.
Always gonna mess up things. I mean, and not being critical.
It's not like I wouldn't marry Tyson.
Yeah, it's not like that.
I mean, I guess I would have, but I just met my husband first.
A long time ago.
A long time ago, and I'm already married.
Yeah.
And I love that man, so I can't just marry him because y'all like us together, you know what I mean? So just hang in there. Yeah, we had to set the record straight because your life is getting increasingly more complicated with your relationship that you're not ready to talk about. I have a husband who I love very much. We have 2 children together. And he should get some credit. He's a huge part of my life.
And he does, but...
We are not married.
Not married.
We really like each other, though.
We're homies. You know what I'm saying?
Anyway, we're not married.
We want you to keep watching.
We want you to keep watching.
For all of our international friends, thank you.
We have no international friends.
Ni hao, you know, that's for people in China, you know.
Go away from me.
And Elissa Benzie.
Goodbye. Thank you for listening. Now carry on with what you were going to do today.